Why should you run? Good question. A lot of people say I could spend my life more fun not running. They're wrong.
I think this is probably one of the main reasons we want to share this course with you, because when I first ran my marathon, I thought it was just about achieving something big. You know, it's something, everyone's got a little bucket list or a goal, and to achieve it, that's in. I didn't even begin to appreciate the incredible health benefits you achieve when you start running, especially when you start running longer distances. We'll share it a bit later in the course, all the incredible health benefits that you do experience. And I can assure you we'll also go through a lot of the myths that you've probably been given as to why you shouldn't run, and we'll certainly be going through those too. But yeah, the reason we created this course and are creating it is to share the incredible health benefits you will also be experiencing while running your first 21K.
Mind-blowing benefits. And when we show you those, you're going to be... So that's one thing, and the health benefits is just huge. The second thing is getting outdoors, getting to explore. There is no other way that you can explore places like this. You get to explore, even if you go on holiday, we'll fly somewhere, arrive at a place, put your running shoes on, and you get to explore that place like you've never been. And we've explored amazing places.
All over the world. We've always made sure we pack our running shoes. We've been... I cannot explain. The best way to explore a new city or a town is on foot, and running takes you places, and it allows you to see so many things.
Yeah, and not only that, we're going to talk about what we call rave runs. Now, rave runs, and we'll have a special section because there's so many of these. These are these runs where you go out there and it's just like unbelievable experience. Let me show you one. This is a rave run that was featured in Runner's World. It's a very popular magazine. And they often ask people to send a picture of what is their best run that they've had. And so this was our rave run. This was us running in a big 5 game reserve. So lying somewhere in there in the bush there, probably lions and all sorts of other beasties, but unbelievable experience. And you don't have to just be in game reserves. You could be anywhere. You can be on the coast. You can be in the mountains. You can be anywhere.
This is definitely one of the things we want to impress on you. This isn't a course for those who want to achieve personal bests and go out crazy. This is a course for those who want to enjoy the journey. And this is what we want to emphasize. And the way you enjoy your journey, your running, we want this to be a way of life for you, which has become for us. And the way you make it a way of life is if you enjoy it. No one stops doing things they enjoy. You stop doing things you hate.
And this is often why things like gym don't work, because you're doing it, and you're doing it for the health benefits. There's no doubt about that, although I'm going to show you running has even more benefits. But it's not a lifestyle thing. It's so hard. I've got to go to the gym. This becomes a lifestyle. You want to do it because it's so much fun.
And that's why we encourage you, like we will in the course, sharing some of our rave runs, to don't just have one set route that you go out and do and to tick it off at the end, I've done my run. Go and look out for exciting runs. If you live near a park, or if you live near the mountains, the sea, a river, you look for these beautiful places and you go and run those places. It's just euphoric.
Okay, so our goal is not only to teach you how to run and to show you how you're going to do it and to give you all the hints and tips. We want it to be an easy and enjoyable approach. At the end of the day, it's going to be about a lifestyle.
In actual fact, what we're also going to include with our course is a book we've written called Running Easy. And this is a marathon guide for ordinary people. Here's a picture of my sister, who we had her and her husband running their first marathon, which they also thought was absolutely never going to happen, and it did, and they loved it. They've even shared a testimonial if you want to read it. And this is her running in Greece, just saying, wow, we went to tour the Greek islands, we brought our running shoes, and here we're having a ball doing a run. So included in our course is also more course notes, just so that you can get everything you need to make sure you can confidently take this journey.